technical workshop. It's going to take a bit longer than planned, so I'm happy. Vincent, what was that? Floor is yours.
Thank you. So I'm Vincent from an association called Faubourg Numérique. I'm here together with Judith, that probably you already know, and with Pierre, who is our technical guy. So Faubourg Numérique is an association of entrepreneurs. So I am not a mentor, I am not an expert, but I am an entrepreneur, like the four people we saw before. And the purpose of our association is to share our experience. And also probably the most important thing that we want to share is the way to have fun in being entrepreneur. So today we are going to talk about more technical aspects. Just one thing about our let's say motivation in being in SCIFI projects. We have initiated together with the city of Saint-Quentin in France the national network of the Open Agile Smart Cities, and for us it's a very important activity related to this initiative. So the purpose of the SCIFI Data Portal, it has already been mentioned by Franz. I think two keywords. First, learn together and build some concrete material as a deliverable to learn and to go further. And the second one is, of course, the possibility to make business. In a new and innovative way, with a specific aspect for mid-sized cities, as it has been also said by Franz. And what I saw this morning is quite interesting, because we have a different level of maturity in each project, different challenges, individual challenges for each companies, but there is a strong entrepreneurship dynamic in all of the projects, so that's great, and that's what we want to support. So that's our main mission, operational mission on a short-term horizon, is try to help you to go to an MVP and proof of concept as fast as possible and in a very efficient way. So that's really the basis of the purpose of this let's say technical data portal. And also to make it easy and to keep it easy, we only have 6 months. We only have 6 months to deliver the solutions. So we have to go straight forward. So from this perspective and talking about open data, I'm afraid that Antonio from HOPE will not learn a lot about what I'm going to say, because the technical enablers are the FIWARE enablers that you are already used to implement. But it's in this philosophy of sharing, I guess we also have a lot to learn from your experience on how to leverage these enablers. Well, we have, let's say, in this case, a minimum viable platform with the key enablers in order to share and publish historical data, so to store and also to expose the data. Then we have a proposal to also publish real-time data, and of course it's important to manage the access control to this data. And to implement this, we use the now well-known FIWARE enablers. It's only lasts, I think, 2 minutes. For those who doesn't know about FIWARE, just an introduction.
Resulting in continuous streams of data generated by the technologies we use in our day-to-day lives. The Internet of Things is impacting virtually all stages of economy and social life, representing a profound change in how humans interact with machines, information, and even each other. availability of big data, cloud solutions, and new internet-connected devices have created an exciting and valuable opportunity to build the next generation of data-driven smart solutions. Information coming from multiple sources must be accessible in real time, creating a digital continuum. Breaking down boundaries between domains will enable the exchange of relevant data across multiple applications, avoiding silos of information. FIWARE is driving the standards to make all this happen, unleashing the potential of real-time open data as a large scale. It simplifies IoT, allowing developers to merge IoT data with data from other relevant sources and get access to it using well-defined RESTful APIs, reducing both the time and cost of development for IoT-enabled smart solutions. Thanks to harmonized data models and APIs, developers are able to create applications that are truly interoperable. Real-time data exported in a city can be combined with data from vehicles acting as mobile sensors to enable new services and improve processes like predictive maintenance of fleets and roads. Systems associated to milling and coordinate measuring machines in a factory can exchange data in a trustworthy manner for a better performance. FIWARE ensures the sovereignty of data, allowing the appropriate levels of access to data to be defined, for instance, for potential monetization. Data from vehicles can be published on a data marketplace supported by the city, so it can be monetized when used by third-party developers. FIWARE Context Information Management is the basis for the new data economy and the creation of innovative business models in multi-sided markets. Join us to ensure that standards are driven by the needs of all society, and to ensure that FIWARE will stay free for all, forever.
So just this short introduction, because we see that you almost experience these challenges to aggregate data and to consume and produce data. So to go more in details, these are let's say the standard slides and standard introduction to the core features of FIWARE enablers. It's the concept of context. So the idea is to implement applications that are able to interoperate and to, as Sam explained, it's very important also to have comprehensive data models and structured data set. So that's the purpose of these enablers. And this is also an illustration that you have, or I think mentioned this, that it's important to deliver value to the citizens and to the cities. It's important to aggregate and to be able to share information related to a specific context. So I will not say too much about this. Concretely, we have three main enablers. I think the most evident one is the Open Data Platform, which is implemented through the CCAN platform, where the cities will publish the data set, and where you, as solution provider, will have to publish also the data that you will generate. For real-time data and interoperability, we have also implemented on this platform the Orion Context Broker. So it's a way also to publish real-time data and again to build an interoperable solution. Something of course important, I will not show you the codes and things we have prepared. Pierre has prepared also slides with codes to show you how to use the APIs, but I think it's not the moment to do this, and we'll try to save time and we can go in more details individually. It's also a chance that we only have 6 projects, so we can really exchange and provide individual support. So that's why we will not, I think, we will not see the codes and how to call the APIs. It's not the main challenge here, but of course all the services will be accessible through APIs. So just a few words about the publish-subscribe concept. The idea, again, is to organize the data exchange between context producers and context consumers. And of course, to manage the interaction with the real and with the real asset and the real world, and also the real people, the citizens. So just some links, technical links. Of course, we will share this presentation. Another more technical aspect is the capability to implement the connectivity of the device of the real world, and then we go now in more details, in more let's say very technical configuration when we are talking about which network and which protocol we will use to communicate with the device. And so it's also important to make it easy and to concentrate and to focus on the data instead of concentrate of which protocol I will use and how I'm going to deal with, I don't know if we have to use LoRa or MQTT. We do not have time to, I think we do not have time to consider this, and the idea is to provide an enabler to abstract this question of the connectivity and the network that we will use to implement your solutions. So just here, the existing IoT agents, so let's say the technical software that will make the translation between the protocol and the standard FIWARE language, let's say. So we can also provide support about this. And so, last but not least, the authentication management. So of course, it's important to authentify and to have a unique entry point and a single sign-on to access all these services. And this is implemented via this enabler called kickoff. So it's a kind of general account. Once you have a kickoff account, you can access the services of the platform. So that's the main message I wanted to pass this morning, to have a global picture. I think it's not the right moment to go in more details from technical point of view. For us, the most important thing, depending on your level of maturity, it's clear that Antonio and Hope, we do not have a lot to bring you because you have a lot of experience, but probably you have some learnings to share with us, and also with all the, of course, when I say with us, it means with all the stakeholders in this project. The idea is to get feedback from you. We will send you a form, I think at the beginning of next week, to collect what are your needs on a short-term horizon. How can we help us to activate and to deliver a first prototype of your solution. And I finish with this, let's say, learning challenge. It's very important, I think, also for the city, on a strategic point of view, to have a reusable model. So it's not the most important thing now, but still think about the data model and the way it will be understandable for other partners and how it could be reusable in the future. So that's for my let's say message. Of course, I think we have a contact address. Please, if you have a question or remarks about what has been said, do not hesitate, and we will go back for towards you.
Is there any question at this moment for Vincent?
Yes, because the mention was to make a small remark. First, we can openly offer to anyone, including winners. If they want, we have already quite nice documentation on virtual machines and scripts, tutorials about how to deploy the ecosystem of FIWARE with the kickoff, the compressor processing, with the Orion, with some ALDA. This is a little bit focused for using our hardware, but instead it's generic. But of course, the same we have for our own business. we can offer it and everybody can use it openly. So happy to we can exchange some emails and based on this experience, it's relevant for me is to know if Bruges, Mechelen and the other cities, they have real interest to have a FIWARE-based data platform and ecosystem to their cities. That for me is important to know. In Bruges and Mechelen, they get that you will have FIWARE enabled, you believe in this?
Yeah, but it's all new for us. So it's really.
This is also important.
Yeah.
Okay, that is nice.
We cannot go around, we have need for it.
So we are happy to support that direction.
FIWARE is something that came out of the project.
To the question of Antonio, is there some, for the cities, is there some kind of directive or incentive on to use this FIWARE?
I don't know. You can answer that.
What is the interest of the city to use that?
What Vincent also mentioned, more sustainable, open use of more standardized ways, ensure more interoperability of solutions.
Yes.
There are in the Netherlands a lot of movements going on around this. Since we try to develop a common ground in which it's a bit like having a similar basis. So there is a need for